The Power of Wheezing. Once upon a time, in a land not too far away, there lived a group of animals who loved to exercise. They would run, jump, and play all day long. But there was one thing that held them back from fully enjoying their activities: wheezing. You see, these animals suffered from exercise-induced asthma, a condition where physical exertion triggered their airways to narrow, making it difficult for them to breathe. It was a constant struggle, as they would often have to pause their activities just to catch their breath. But instead of letting their wheezing hold them back, these animals decided to embrace their condition and turn it into a source of power. They believed that by facing their challenges head-on, they could overcome any obstacle that came their way. One day, a young rabbit named Rosie was participating in a race. As she ran, her wheezing became louder and more pronounced. The other animals started to doubt her abilities, thinking that she would never be able to keep up. But Rosie didn't let their doubts bring her down. She knew that her wheezing was a sign of her determination and resilience. It was a reminder that she had the strength to push through any difficulty. With each breath, Rosie found herself running faster and stronger. Her wheezing became a symbol of her inner power, a testament to her unwavering spirit. And as she crossed the finish line, the other animals stood in awe of her accomplishments. From that day forward, the animals in the land didn't see wheezing as a weakness anymore. They recognized it as a symbol of strength, a reminder that they were capable of overcoming any challenge that came their way. So the next time you find yourself wheezing during exercise, remember the power that lies within you. Embrace your condition and use it as a source of motivation. Let your wheezing be a reminder that you have the strength to conquer any obstacle that comes your way. And don't forget to join our community of resilient individuals who have turned their wheezing into a source of power. Together, we can inspire and support one another on our journey to a healthier, more fulfilling life. Join us today and unleash the power of wheezing.